Hello everyone, it's Karate Mask. Today's video, I'll talk about the question: a karate athlete floating during kumite attacks. This video will help you understand their lower body mechanical during karate. Before I begin the explanation, this channel is a video to support beginners who want to get a black belt. And I put out video to show karate tips and training method for beginners. Please subscribe to my channel so you don't miss it, because this video has the advantage that you will be able to practice and improve efficiently. So let's get right to it. The conclusion is that body seems to float perfectly and not too much. Because if the body air-to-air time is too long, it's easier to be targeted at the moment. So how do they work? The first things to focus on is the movement of the knee and hip joints. The lower body is in a relaxed state to react to any situation at any time. If the lower body is tense, it cannot react to the opponent's movements. Next, let's look at the movements of the lower body during the attack. Karate punches may look like flying, but they are not. In reality, the propulsion is achieved by moving the front legs forward. This method allows you to close the distance between you and your opponents in the shortest and fastest way possible. It's like a wrestling or rugby tackle. The way to practice is to start with your front leg and front fist at the same time against the wall. When you get used to it, try to actually move forward. Let's be conscious of diving forward as much as possible without flying upward. How was it? I hope this explanation has been helpful. In the beginning, I was too focused on my upper body and often tumbled over during kumite. Rushing can lead to fall, so let's practice slowly. First, to make sure the movements are correct. If you think this video is good, please leave a comment. It encourages me. See you in the next video. Bye.